My name is Rohith. I am graduated from Kallamana Institute of Technology in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I have joined the Jspiders in the month of January. Then I have joined Jspiders through incubation. And coming to the experience in the Jspiders, the mock tests and interviews, placement drives helping me to increase my communication skills and also technical skills. Here, the trainers are very much helpful to us while explaining the concepts. I have taken a Python full stack course in our Python trainer was Anurag sir, who has explained Python so well, and the SQL trainer was Karishma ma'am. She is good at explaining concepts with the real world examples. Yeah, I have completed 3 course with Sagar sir. Yeah, he also taken real world examples and explained very easily to understand each and every topic. And web technology classes was taken by Reshma ma'am, who has taught very neatly and clearly in organized manner. And I have placed in Jspiders within 4 to 5 months exactly. Yeah, I am very thankful to everyone who has supported me through this journey, and I also appreciate and thanks to our manager sir Chandan NR sir for giving the opportunities to our branch. Yeah, thank you very much for the support.